Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 16 developer beta on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. To install developer beta on iPhone, open Safari browser on your device. In the search bar, search iOS beta profile. Now click on beta profile at the top of the page. The Apple's official website will appear on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on install profile under the iOS beta profile. Tap install anyways. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Click on allow. Click close. Now go back to home screen and open settings app. Click on profile downloaded under the settings. Click on install at the top right corner. Now enter your passcode if prompted. Click install, then click install to confirm. Here you have to restart your iPhone or iPad. After restarting the iPhone, open the settings menu on your iPhone or iPad, tap General, tap on Software Update. So guys, as you can see, beta version of iOS 16 is appearing in my iPhone at the moment and I can install it now. After clicking on the download and install, enter your passcode. Click agree. That's all guys. Thanks for watching the video.